thought you were stronger.
Alright guys, I got my 226.
Wow.
This is some 147 grain. I'm going to do a video to show you the differences between the loud versus the quietness of each one. 115 grain, Herter stuff, I got it from Cabela's. Browning, 147 grain. We'll start out with 115 grain. Hope you guys can hear this. Five on target, we'll do 5 off. Okay, let's try the 147 grain. See if it's any quieter. Noticeable difference.
Noticeable.
Noticeable.
Super noticeable.
What was the first round when you initially just Silencerco?
Yeah, do it again.
Here's some more 147 grain. Just a little sound comparison.